have an idea you'd like to bring to life, an invention or business to improve your community? Illinois Tech's signature Interprofessional Projects program allows you to work with a team of students to solve real-world problems. Chemical engineering student Bilal and his team are working on a startup company, and he's here to tell us all about it. Bilal, please take it away.
Thanks for the intro, Alex. Hi, everyone. Illinois Tech has always had an influential position in my life. With my dad once being a professor here, I spent most of my summers sitting in his office, peering outside his window, watching students walk by. Little did I know that one day I would be one of them. In my opinion, one of the most fascinating aspects of our university has to be our Interprofessional Projects program, also known as IPRO. IPRO classes bring students of all different majors along with faculty and industry professionals together to solve real-world issues. Whether that be working with robots or designing greenhouses, there's an exciting project for every student to work on. I believe this program truly allows students to find their passion, gain leadership skills, and truly learn to innovate to solve real-world problems. Take me, for example. Last year, I took a course called Social Innovation Design, and I got the chance to create and lead my own group in a project. After I finished the course, I recruited a larger team composed of all university undergrad students, stemming from engineering, applied mathematics, economics, and computer science. From there, we spent weeks researching and interviewing professionals to truly develop our idea into something with more impact and meaning. And once we established that, we decided to create our very own startup company. Our company is called Square One, and our goal is to create a web application to help connect minority homeless youth in the Chicago area with local resources. With the help and support of the university, my team and I are currently in the process of creating the very first prototype of the app. It's truly amazing to think that our hard work and effort, while still being students, has the potential to create such a positive change in the world. That's all from me. Sending it back to you, Alex.
What an inspiring story, Bilal. That is amazing. At Illinois Tech, students do more than learn. They learn to do and create. Here, you'll gain an entrepreneurial mindset that will help you become a leader in the next generation. Thanks again.